Hi Instagram, this is Project Polybear and today we've got a lovely review on the Hudly wireless HUD system. I'll be providing a hands-on experience over the Hudly system, how I've been operating it using nighttime and daytime. You'll be seeing that later on over the video, but initially I'll be showing you what's included in the box, the component itself, the clarity of the class, the technologies which is embedded in the system itself, and the projector. Here we go. So this is Hudly Wireless Smart HUD, and they're actually a company based in the USA. Pledged over the Kickstarter program, and I bought it for $170 excluding shipping. They're actually right now they don't have any more campaigns even on Indiegogo system, and they're actually selling it for $299 over the website. So I'll show you what's included, what's actually in the box. That's a display, gorgeous display system. That's a projector over there, and the clarity on the projector is absolutely magnificent. That's the details. What the noise, blah blah blah. You've got everyday driving system. You can actually have a look at the RPMs using the OBD and TPMS for the tire pressure system. And that's it. Let's show you what's inside the box. And here we go. It's about less than 6 inch into 4 inches. That's the glass itself. That's a projector over here, and speaker, brightness, volume, and the power system. On the side we don't have anything. That's power, nothing. And down here we've got the screen casting system. We've got a CVBS input, audio, USB. And that's it pretty much. The unit doesn't have an embedded battery. That's a glass. That's not one kept there. And so this is the glass unit. It's quite clear, quite sharp, and it's quite simple. So just keep it, close that. That's it. Just keep it on the side, and so we get a simple manual. It has all the details about the units, where you can install it. Simple. How does it tilt? Brief details, recommendation, diagnostic, etc. App, and these are the dimensions. So in fact it is 7 on 5, so it's quite nice. Here we go. That's power. So you've got I've actually used it to shoot the video for you guys. You've got an embedded power with the USB. You've got the DCN, and you've got the mount, which you plug it under the unit. So that's a mount. Place it over there so you can tilt it, and that's it. Next, I'll be doing a video in the daytime and nighttime for the unit itself. Hey everyone, again, this is Project Polybear, and this is the hands-on for the Hudly wireless HUD system. And as you can see, I'm actually casting my tablet, my Samsung tablet over here, into this projector, and it's absolutely clear. This is in fact, the brightness is actually set at 3. I haven't installed probably the system, but What I didn't like about it is actually the adhesive in the mount. It's quite weak comparing to other mounts. I would actually recommend to Hudly to actually change the adhesive on it. And what I'll do is I'll just increase the brightness, and 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can't actually see it. In fact, it's crystal clear on my screen just now. Just try to adjust the brightness a little bit, and yeah, here you go. It's quite clear, and as you can see, you can actually look at it from a different angle. So yep, this is the first section. Hey everyone, this is the demo at night time for the wireless HUD system from Hudly, and as you can see, it's really crisp how the screen turned out to be, and the projector can actually look at it from a different angle. You can increase the brightness, and that's at 0, so basically there's no light at the back, and I think it has the sensors in the back side to actually see the brightness from the lights, so it actually increases whenever the brightness increases around it, and that's definitely a big pro for it. What I didn't like about it, and a big con, is whenever you actually switch off the screen, for example, and right now I switch it off, that's it, so it's gone, and you need to keep it turned on the whole time, and that's a definite con. Even whenever I use the software, for example, to actually navigate somewhere and I switch off the screen, same thing, it actually turns off, so that's a definite con. I tried to use my Kiwi 3 OBD part, but it didn't actually connect with their software, but I used it with Torque and it worked absolutely fine. You can actually navigate through the whole screen over there, and you can get all the readings from your car. What else? It's quite clear. The speaker is quite loud too. You can actually view a video on it, but whenever it turns out into a portrait mode, for example, it's quite tiny, so whenever you're actually sitting from that side, you can't actually see anything. So it has to be on a landscape mode. Even the maps, it has to be on the landscape mode, and that's you cannot say it's a con, but this is the feature of the whole software and the whole unit. Another thing I don't like about it is whenever you keep it on an idle mode and the phone connects to it, so you lose actual internet, but whenever you actually go on the screencast mode, then the internet goes back on. So that's another, I cannot say it's a con, but it's they should actually enable a feature that whenever if it connects to the Wi-Fi, it straight away it also enables the internet. I think it's from the phone manufacturer, so they don't have anything to do with it. So please send me your comments, send me your questions over the internet. If you have any doubts, just let me know, and I'll probably post another video on it. Thanks a lot, and hope there will be more things to show soon. Take care.